I enjoyed almost all the GSB delicacies I tasted at Anmol restaurant in Bejai, Mangalore. I like my coffee like this. I like my coffee to bite me a bit in the morning, just to wake me up. And thankfully, not too sweet. Pardon the noise in the background, but this is a busy restaurant. People are barking orders out there. I've got a goli bhaji here. I've got the Mangalore buns and the two dishes. One which I haven't tasted before. This is the shavige with the dali tobe here. And this is the shavige hingan. Basically, in the coconut milk, you have a seasoning of the asafoetida. There's plenty of green chilies too that have been ribboned through that shavige. So it tells you it's going to be a spicy one. And then there's the tadka. There's a seasoning of the saswe or the mustard seeds. And then of course we've got more dali tobe should we want to dip more. And then you have the coconut chutney and also a special sambar that I'm told is quite unique out here. What I like about this coconut chutney are those little rivulets of coconut oil that's floating in the ogarne atop the chutney. But it was the Chikoo Sheera that stole my heart. Chikoo Sheera now, that I've never tasted before. You can see flecks of the Chikoo or the Chikoo pulp. That pulp has imbued itself with every grain of the semolina, and the Chikoo is more apparent in the whiff of the Sheera that's circulating in your mouth. You can smell it too, and also somewhere a bit of that graininess, that grainy bite of the Chikoo. I'm also now biting into dices of the Chikoo.